DJI has remained a dominating force in the drone world for over a decade, and with every new model, it raises the bar even higher. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has been a wildly successful compact drone, praised for its portability, advanced features, and accessible pricing. But now that we're edging closer to its 2-year anniversary, attention is rapidly shifting to what's next. The buzz around DJI's next-gen lightweight drone, the much-rumored DJI Mini 5 Pro, is steadily intensifying. And based on multiple credible leaks and industry whispers, what we're seeing paints a picture of the most significant mini drone leap yet. At Technology Review, we've gone through all the details, insider leaks, and technical speculations to paint a complete picture of what the DJI Mini 5 Pro could deliver. And if the reports are accurate, DJI could be preparing a game-changing release that combines high-end features with an ultralight form factor. Let's break it all down. The first piece of the puzzle is the release timeline. While initial chatter pointed to a mid-2025 release, more recent information suggests we could be looking at an October 2025 launch instead. This would fit DJI's historical pattern of refreshing its Mini line every couple of years, particularly with the Mini 4 Pro arriving in fall of 2023. Not only would this be a strategic release window, but it also allows DJI to potentially roll out its other rumored drone, the mysterious Neo 2, earlier in the year. This points to a broader and more diversified strategy from DJI as they aim to capture different segments of the drone market with more tailored offerings. But let's zoom in on what matters the most, the features. Perhaps the most exciting leak revolves around the Mini 5 Pro's imaging system. Reports suggest DJI may equip it with a 1-inch sensor, a massive upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor on the Mini 4 Pro. This change would drastically improve image quality, especially in low light conditions, and offer better dynamic range and overall clarity. A sensor this large in a sub-250G drone would be groundbreaking, merging the worlds of ultralight drones with professional-grade image capture. To keep this drone under 249 grams, a key benchmark for consumer friendliness under global aviation laws, DJI needs to perform a delicate balancing act. Every component, every feature, and every part of the housing has to be engineered for both performance and weight reduction. Despite this tight constraint, DJI seems ready to push forward. Another major leak involves the inclusion of LiDAR sensors, typically seen on more advanced drones like the Air series. These sensors could vastly improve obstacle avoidance capabilities, allowing for safer and more intelligent autonomous flights. LiDAR brings precise 3D mapping capabilities that outperform traditional vision sensors, which would be a huge step up for users navigating complex environments or capturing footage in dynamic, cluttered scenes. Adding to that, a leaked image circulating on platforms like Weibo hints at a new physical design. The most noticeable change? Vented motors. These redesigned motors could provide better cooling, greater energy efficiency, and increased durability. All of this translates to smoother flight experiences, improved power delivery, and potentially longer operational life for the drone itself. Speaking of performance, the motors are rumored to deliver more thrust while maintaining energy efficiency. This could result in longer flight times, potentially around the 40-minute mark. If true, this would be a considerable bump over the Mini 4 Pro's already impressive flight time. It's a move that would delight aerial videographers and photographers who need extra airtime to capture their perfect shots without worrying about running out of battery mid-session. AI enhancements are another area where DJI is reportedly going all in. The next generation of subject tracking may benefit from advanced machine learning, which could make the Mini 5 Pro a real powerhouse when it comes to capturing moving subjects. Whether it's fast-paced sports, pets in motion, or scenic tracking across dynamic landscapes, this AI upgrade could redefine how compact drones are used creatively. And there's one more wild card rumor that's been making rounds: 5G connectivity. While this hasn't been confirmed, if DJI integrates 5G into the Mini 5 Pro, it could radically improve real-time communication between the drone and its controller. This means faster data transmission, smoother video streaming, and more stable remote control, even in areas with high interference. Live broadcasting, long-range flying, and seamless command response could become significantly better. Let's also not forget the potential dual launch strategy involving the Mini 5 Pro and the unknown Neo 2 drone. DJI could be setting the stage to dominate multiple market tiers simultaneously, offering a pro-grade lightweight drone for enthusiasts and professionals, while launching a separate, possibly even more affordable model for beginners or niche users. The Neo 2 could aim at content creators needing simplicity, or perhaps target a vertical like FPV racing or industrial inspections. It's too early to say for sure, but DJI's history suggests that when they diversify, they do it with a clear strategy in mind. So, what does all of this mean for current DJI drone owners or those looking to buy soon? The Mini 4 Pro is still a stellar drone. It's reliable, compact, and packed with features. But if the Mini 5 Pro arrives with the features currently rumored, it could represent a true generational leap. A larger sensor, more intelligent flight modes, longer battery life, lighter level safety features, and potentially even 5G, all packed under 249 grams, would make it one of the most advanced consumer drones ever made. DJI seems committed to innovating without bloating. Rather than chasing specs for the sake of it, they appear focused on creating smarter, safer, and more user-friendly drones. If the Mini 5 Pro includes all of the rumored upgrades while keeping the familiar, travel-ready form factor, it may easily become the gold standard for lightweight aerial imaging. What's even more intriguing is how DJI is managing to trickle down its flagship technologies into smaller, more accessible packages. Features that were once exclusive to much pricier models are now making their way to the Mini lineup. This could mean broader accessibility for aspiring drone pilots and a lower barrier to entry for creating cinematic content from the sky. So yes, it might be worth waiting, especially for those who want the absolute best in a sub-250G package. But even if you're not in the market for a new drone right now, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a benchmark for where the industry is heading. We'll continue watching the space closely, and we'll update you as more concrete information arrives. DJI is expected to reveal more details in the coming months. And if the October timeline holds, the second half of 2025 is going to be huge for drone tech. Until then, let us know in the comments. Are you planning to hold out for the Mini 5 Pro, or does the Mini 4 Pro still feel like the right pick for you? And which rumored feature excites you the most? Hit us up and stay tuned right here at Technology Review for everything DJI, drones, and beyond.